How to enable weekly backup to Google Drive on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable weekly backup to Google Drive on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find chats, and then scroll down until you find chat backup. Click on it and go down. Here you will find it, this one, backup to Google Drive. Click on it and click weekly, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.